Scene 1. Making a reservation by phone.
Hello, is this the Grand Hotel?
Yes, this is the Grand Hotel. How can I help you?
I would like to book a room, please.
Sure. For how many nights?
I need a room for 3 nights.
What dates would you like to stay?
From October 5th to October 8th.
What type of room do you need? Single or double?
A single room, please.
We have a single room available. The price is $100 per night.
That sounds good. Can I confirm the booking?
Yes, I will need your name and a credit card for the reservation.
My name is John Smith, and I'll give my card details now.
Thank you. Your room is booked.
Do you have free breakfast?
Yes, breakfast is included.
Great. What time is check-in?
Check-in starts at 2 p.m.
Thank you. See you on October 5th.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Scene 2. Checking in at the hotel.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grand Hotel.
Good afternoon. I have a reservation.
May I have your name, please?
My name is Sarah Johnson.
Yes, Miss Johnson. You have a reservation for 2 nights?
That's right.
Can I see your ID and credit card, please?
Sure, here they are.
Thank you. Your room number is 305.
Is that a non-smoking room?
Yes, it's a non-smoking room.
Great. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11 a.m.
Thank you. Do you have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, the Wi-Fi is free. The password is on your key card.
Thank you. Can I get some help with my luggage?
Yes, I'll send someone right away.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Scene 3. Asking about hotel facilities.
Excuse me, I have a few questions.
Of course, how can I help you?
Does the hotel have a gym?
Yes, we have a gym on the 2nd floor.
Is there a swimming pool here?
Yes, the pool is on the rooftop.
Oh, nice. What time does the pool open?
It opens at 7 a.m. and closes at 10 p.m.
Is there a restaurant in the hotel?
Yes, we have a restaurant on the ground floor.
Do you offer room service?
Yes, room service is available 24 hours a day.
That's great. How about laundry service?
Yes, we have same-day laundry service.
Wonderful. Can I book a spa session here?
Yes, we have a spa on the 1st floor. I can help you book it.
Thank you so much for the information.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Scene 4. Extending a stay.
Hello, I need some help with my booking.
Sure. What can I assist you with?
I want to stay 1 more night.
Let me check if your room is available.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, your room is available for 1 more night.
Great, can I confirm the extension?
Yes, I'll add 1 night to your booking.
How much will it cost?
It will be $120 for the extra night.
That's fine. Can I pay now?
Yes, you can pay at the reception or at checkout.
I'll pay at checkout. Thank you.
No problem. Your stay is extended.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Let us know if you need anything else.
I will. Thanks again.
Have a pleasant stay.
Scene 5. Checking out of the hotel.
Good morning. Are you ready to check out?
Yes, I am checking out today.
May I have your room number, please?
It's room 207.
Thank you. How was your stay?
It was great, thank you.
I'm glad to hear that. Did you use the minibar?
Yes, I had one soda.
That will be $3. Would you like to pay with your card?
Yes, I'll pay with my credit card.
All set. Here's your receipt.
Thank you. Do you need the room key?
No, you can keep the key as a souvenir.
Thanks. Can you call a taxi for me?
Of course, the taxi will be here in 5 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you for everything.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.